All right, let's see. Homes more affordable in Texas, check. Gas, groceries more affordable in Texas, check, check. Utilities more affordable, check. Property taxes, what the 1.89%, 2.21%, 2.7% property taxes in New Braunfels? Hey, have no fear, because today's video is all about saving you money when it comes to property taxes. If you guys are new here to my channel, thank you so much for hopping on. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we're putting out new videos about what it's like to live in New Braunfels every single week. I think, in my opinion, today's video is the most important video you're gonna watch this year, especially if you just purchased a home here in New Braunfels or you're getting ready to. We're talking property taxes today. Hey, let's face it, guys, where you come from, our property taxes here in New Braunfels in Texas are higher than yours in comparison, but Texas is a very tax-friendly state. New Braunfels even tax-friendlier because of all the other local tax exemptions we offer homeowners. So today we're going to talk about everything that you need to know about Texas Homestead Exemptions and the local ones here in New Braunfels as well, so you can reduce your property taxes. First of all, and I get this question all the time, what is a homestead exemption? A homestead exemption reduces the taxable value of the home that you live in, which creates a lower tax bill, lower property tax bill for you. A homestead is any structure, condo included, or manufactured home that you own on a piece of property up to 20 acres. So to claim your homestead exemption, there's a few important things that you need to know. First, you need to own the home. Secondly, you need to use it as your primary residence as of January 1st in the year that you're applying for your homestead exemption. Third, the address on your driver's license must match the address of the property that you're claiming homestead exemption. All right, now the great news, because we're going to talk about how much you're going to save on property taxes in Texas and right here in New Braunfels. Texas law states that all school districts must provide a $25,000 exemption for property tax. So let's do some easy math here. Let's say your house is assessed at $200,000. Subtract the $25,000 exemption, and now you're only being taxed on $175,000. But wait, there's more. Texas offers more exemptions. The most common are the 65 and older senior citizen exemption, the disabled exemption, and the disabled veteran exemption. For both the disabled exemption and the 65 and older exemption, school districts are required to give you a $10,000 exemption toward your property tax. Now, even though you may qualify for both of those exemptions, you can only choose one. Does that make sense? So you could be 65 and older and disabled at the same time, but the state's not going to allow you to add $10,000 and $10,000, so it doesn't compound to equal $20,000 toward your property tax. It's just one. You have to choose one, so it's the $10,000. The disabled veterans exemption, if you have a disability rating of 50 to 99%, you get a $10,000 to $12,000 exemption. If your disability rating is 100%, then you pay absolutely no taxes in the state of Texas. But wait, there is more if you live in New Braunfels. Now, New Braunfels covers two counties, Comal County and Guadalupe County. Now, if you live in either one of those counties and you own a home as your primary residence and you applied and got your exemption, you're going to qualify for that $25,000 regular residential homestead exemption that every homeowner in the state of Texas gets. But here is the golden goose. If you live within the Comal Independent School District, they give you an additional 20% off toward your property taxes. So this is going to be juicy. This is going to be fun. Let's do the math. Easy math. Let's say your house is assessed at $400,000, right? Take away that 20% because you live within the boundaries of Comal Independent School District. That brings you down $80,000 to $320,000. And then you're going to subtract the $25,000 on top of that. And now you're only being taxed on $295,000 from $400,000 to $295,000. That's not bad. It's pretty tax friendly. There are other entities in Comal County and Guadalupe County that offer other exemptions, and I put all that information in the description below. All right, now that you're ready to save on your property taxes, all you have to do is apply, and you only have to apply once. And once you receive your homestead exemption, no more. No more applying. It automatically renews year after year after year until you sell your home. How do you apply? Just go to your county's website, and I put the links of those websites in the description below. Go to your county's website. You'll see the form, fill it out, and submit it. There's no cost to you. Scam alert. If you receive a piece of mail that offers to file your homestead exemption for a fee for 40 or 50 bucks or whatever it may be, that's a scam. Don't do it. All you have to do is go to your county's website and file for the exemption at that website. You can file for your homestead exemption as early as January 1st every year, but the deadline to file is April 30th, and that's every year. If you have any questions about today's topic, homestead exemptions, just leave your questions in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you found this information today to be helpful to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we're putting out new videos about what it's like to live in New Braunfels every single week. And if you're thinking about moving to the New Braunfels area and taking advantage of some of these tax exemptions that we have here in the state of Texas and in New Braunfels, I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. All you have to do is email me, call me, or you can shoot me a text. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.